Another kid-friendly staycation in Metro Manila. Dito lang yan sa San Juan. Isa na naman to sa new favorite namin. For as low as 2,700 pesos plus, included na din dyan yung 2 free breakfast. Dito nga kami nag-book sa Klook. Just search the Corner Service Residences and para maka-discount ka, use Mia X Klook to get 5% off. 3 PM yung check-in time and mabilis lang yung process. Look at our room. Sobrang cozy, spacious, clean, ang aesthetic pa. We stayed in their 1-bedroom suite na nasa around 5,000 plus. Alam nyo naman nag-iiba yung rate, depende yan sa date. Perfect talaga dito for family bonding kasi feel at home vibes pero relaxing pa rin. Ang convenient pa kasi walking distance lang to Green Hills Shopping Center at connected mismo sa mall ha, sa 6th floor nga kami dumaan. Ang dami mong pwedeng ma-shopping, ang daming kainan. Maganda nga dito magstay lalo na yung mga balikbayan. Halos lahat ng amenities nila is nasa 9th floor. May outdoor playground na talagang hindi tinigilan ni Natalia. May playroom din sila, outdoor swimming pool na napakalaki at napakaganda. May kiddie pool na din, may billiards and darts area. Malinis at madami ding equipment yung gym nila. Malaki ang lounge area at madaming pwedeng upuan. Free breakfast na nga for 2 sa the morning after. Ito yung choices sa food and busog na busog kami. Sa room naman, complete na din yung cooking essentials at may induction stove, electric kettle, refrigerator, and microwave. Maganda din yung dining area nila. Free na din itong coffee, may instant coffee and drinking water. Napakaganda nitong living room namin. Meron na din silang smart TV. Reliable na din yung internet connection. May balcony din kami and may magandang city view and pool view. Dito naman sa room, may hair dryer, bathrobe, swimming pool towels, clothes iron, and safety box. Madami ka na ding pwedeng paglagyan ng clothes dito. And ang pinaka-favorite ko, smart mattress na din na pwede mong i-adjust ang firmness ng bed. Malinis din ang bathroom, may bidet, may toothpaste and toothbrush, heated shower, shampoo, and body wash. Pwede din kayo mag-request ng crib kung may baby kayo. Overall experience, nakapag-relax and nag-enjoy kami. Highly recommend ko to for your next family staycation.